Hey guys, today I'm back with this full drag marble, and drag marbles are great if you don't know how to water marble. So if you want to know how I did these, keep watching. First I applied a clear polish to the little squares on my mat. And then once that was dry, I just did lines of red, a burnt orange and yellow going down the little space until I run out of space. And then with a light dotting tool, I'm gently dragging downwards to create that flower pattern that you get on water marbles. Don't dig too much, otherwise you'll dig through the polish. So I left that on the side to dry for about 4 hours, 5 hours. And then I just painted my nails with the same yellow that I used in the design. And then with that same dot tool as earlier, I'm just peeling it off the mat. And I applied some foil glue, but you can use clear polish. I just end up making a mess when I use clear polish. And then you just stick the decal to your nail. And then with some acetone, I'm just cleaning up around my cuticles, which kind of destroyed it because the red was so pigmented. And then a top coat. And there you go, these full, if you're in American, they can be done for Thanksgiving. Now, if you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And subscribe good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.